Sheetpan chicken is one of my favorite things to make. It is super easy and super flavorful. I like to take shortcuts with cooking, and one of them are the green chilies and also the jarred roasted bell peppers. By using canned ingredients in some of your cooking, you can greatly reduce the time it takes to make dinner. For the marinades, I like to save half of it for use as a condiment later, after the dinner's done, or even as a condiment later on during the week. And then the other half I like to baste the chicken and vegetables before putting in the oven. So this way the marinade acts as both a marinade and a finishing sauce. So the marinade cooks down and provides flavor for the chicken and vegetables, and then the finishing sauce is a fresh punch of flavor at the end.